Hi guys, today I'm show you how you can change from quick access to this PC in File Explorer. Let's start.
First, open File Explorer. Press the above three dot. Then click Option. After that, change quick access to this PC. Click Apply and OK. Now let's test it. Reopen File Explorer. It worked. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.